We will be making a peach refrigerator cake. And the ingredients are creme densada, crushed grahams, sliced peaches. So now Jen is combining or mixing the condensed and cream. And Yag is preparing the first layer, which is the crushed graham. After that, Kuya Jestin will place the sliced peaches on top. Are you done, Jen?
Not.
Not yet?
Yes.
Are you done, Yag?
No.
Not yet. Okay, let's wait for Jen to finish mixing the cream and condensed.
Nagana.
So now Jen is placing the mixed cream and condensed. Next, we'll place the sliced peaches on top. Okay.
After kuya ako.
Ilinya lang. Na.
Yummy. Wako, kutsara.
Take turns lang. Ilinya iline lang, Justin.
PDF. Ayo. Yan. Sit. Stand properly, kuya. Ay, yag. Ay,
Okay.
Oh, pieces. Oy! Duha na.
Ay, sagdi lang na. Kay mabungkag.
Finish na. Ako, Kelly.
Okay. Yag will put another batch on top of the cream and condensed. That's mixed. Oops. Ay na, ikuan.
Ako na.
Oh, si Jen na.
Dari sa akin. Kuot na yun mo niya.
Jen, dili ikuan ng hands. Bebe. Use the other kuan. Yeah. Ito, Jen.
Diba?
Okay. Okay, that's enough.
That's enough.
And then we'll put another crushed kuan.
Me.
Graham.
Me.
Si Jen na po.
Here.
Hinay lang.
Na.
No, daghanan nimo, ipuno nimo tanan. Sige.
Diba?
Oh, yes.
Itago ang orange.
Yes.
Ikaon nila.
Okay, next we'll put another layer. Another layer for the cream and condensed. Yag will be placing it.
Yag sagit ko ni mo mana mong kauna.
Okay, we'll put the last batch of mixed cream and condensed.
There. Napam?
Yes. So, yes, we'll put the last layer of peaches.
Mami, Tita, una ma?
Peach refrigerator cake.
Ma! Ay, mami!
Lagi ka balot oh.
Fish refrigerator cake in the table. Never kayo pa nung please. Ha? Wala na light.
Oh,
Excuse me.
so this is the final product.
Hello!
Final product.
Hello!
Yaman, mahugno dito.